cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make bak kut teh at home. Nowadays eating bak kut teh outside is very expensive. Per person is close to about around 20 ringgit already. Alright, so here I'm cooking for how many person? This is probably at least, I don't know, 5 person, 6 person, no problem at all. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the ingredient. Of course, first of all, you will need the bak kut. Yeah, this is I love using ribs. Some people will mix with some pork belly also. You can if you want to. So about the thing about when you are using a ribs, make sure I recommend you to blanch it first so that your soup later can be clearer. So this is already blanched. Yeah. So if you don't know how to blanch meat, just look for my meat blanching video. Okay. Then let's look at the rest of the ingredient. Is really there's no rule as to what you want to put inside your bak kut teh. It is really up to you. But today I'm going to add in a little bit more varieties. Maybe first of all, look at what are the herbs that I'm using for the bak kut teh. Basically, I like to buy. There's a lot of ready mixed herbs for bak kut teh. You can find in Malaysia and Singapore, very easy. But my personal preference is there is one brand that comes with some ready mixed powder and also some fresh herbs together. This actually give deeper, more full body flavor. All right, so you just need to buy about one packet. That can you can cook up to about between 2 to 3 liters of bak kut teh broth. And then of course you want to put in some garlic. It will be even better if you have the char garlic, which is the black color ones. All right. So how do I make my bak kut teh a lot more interesting? I have a few types of thing here. This is fried tau pork. This is the meatball. This is also one kind of meatball, right? Oh, I got it from the wet market this morning. And I have some hot pot style of fried fuzu here. It's already deep fried and later just need to soak it in the broth and ready to be eaten. Very, very easy. And I want to add in more veggie to my bak kut teh also. Nowadays, actually, some people actually try to sell bak kut teh or vegetable bak kut teh separately and even about the same price. I have some shiitake mushroom soak, yeah. So I'll be using the shiitake mushroom water also, don't waste it. So here I have some enoki mushroom and also yao ma. Or you can put in Chinese cabbage also can, really up to you. No rules in Appa's kitchen. You decide what you want to put inside your bak kut teh. You just treat it like a hot pot. Basically, if you start to put in some prawns and also sotong or fish inside the bak kut teh broth, it becomes seafood bak kut teh, right? So get creative. This is your home cooked dinner. You decide. All right. So first of all, I need to pre-boil some hot water. Then we can start putting in the herbs and also garlic, the pai guat, yeah, the ribs. You want to put pork leg also can. Only thing is pork leg you need to cook longer. So here is about 3 liter as suggested from the packet itself. So always try to make reference back to the packet so that the flavor will be just nice, right? And here I have some soft shiitake mushroom. And I don't mind adding in some of the mushroom water. Alright. The rest I will cook it separately so that it doesn't dilute the taste of this. Do I want to do seasoning first or not? I think we can do a bit of seasoning right now. According to the packet, it asked me to add in some oyster sauce. About 2 tablespoons. This is 3 liters of broth, by the way. Some light soy sauce. And give it some salt. Do I want, actually he also suggested to add a bit of lao chou, which is dark soya sauce. Do I want to add in the dark soya sauce? I think I add a little bit. Personally, me and my wife prefer lighter color bak kut teh. But some people prefer the darker color one. So no right or wrong, this is your dinner, you decide for yourself. So once it is boiling, we can actually close the lid. And we will tune down to medium fire. Let it cook for between half an hour to 1 hour, you decide. Yeah, I think actually it suggested about close to 1 hour. So you decide yourself lah. Half an hour to 1 hour, if you ask me, good enough. Oh, I just read the packet again. It says about half an hour. This is after about 20 minutes. One thing we need to do, by the way, you want to break the garlic, right? Allow the garlic to release. That's where it makes your soup even more nicer. This will bring your soup to the next level. This is the secret. Break the garlic. It will taste even better if you use the char, black color garlic. Nice. Let it continue cooking. Alright, this is after approximately 20 over minutes. Close to 30 minutes already. I think I'm going to take out some of it first, especially the ribs, so that I can cook the veggie and tofu. It's boiling too much. Wow, very, very fragrant right now. Let me just take out the ribs. Okay, I have already removed the ribs. Yeah, the mushroom is still inside. I don't mind continue cooking the mushroom. I don't want my veggie to dilute the my bak kut teh's broth too much. So now I'm going to actually season the bak kut teh broth a little bit more first. I tasted it a while just now, very nice already, but I could use a little bit more light soya sauce and a bit more salt. Then it will be perfect. All right, then I can actually pour the bak kut teh broth to the ribs. Okay, this is the broth. Oh. So this is one pot with the ribs. One pot down, second pot to go. Now I can raise the heat a little bit. I am going to put in the tau pok, yeah. I cut the tau pok open so that it can absorb the flavor better. And the pork meatball. This is the 吊片 meatball. And also this is the fried meatball. Oh, I got it from the wet market. I can add in the fried fuzu towards the end, because the fried fuzu seriously. Actually, all this also no need to really cook. It's already cooked. I just need to make it heat it up, yeah. And I can put in the veggie. This is the yao mak, which is I think quite popular, quite commonly be used, yeah, at the bak kut teh shop, at least in Malaysia. So after you add in the veggie, it will definitely dilute the bak kut teh broth flavor a bit. But the thing is, actually like me personally, coming from Johor Bahru, I actually prefer a little bit more diluted version. Yeah, the KL people will prefer the more herbal version. So no right or wrong. You decide what you want. If you want to, you don't like your bak kut teh to be too diluted, then you can actually take out more broth before you try to cook the veggie. Yeah. All right. You can see the tofu pot already start to expand. Start to telling you it's almost there. I'm going to put in the enoki mushroom and also the fried fuzu here. These two will take less than 1 minute. So today I'm cooking for how many people? Last minute my wife asked another 3 more person coming. I'm cooking for almost 8-9 person, including some kids. All right. So it's basically done. Just right before serving, just need to give it a few dashes of white pepper. And of course, you can use the salt, especially salt or light soy sauce to control the saltiness. Yeah, it's basically done. All right, here's Appa very simple bak kut teh. Right, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.